Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will go over how to utilize redlining tools to mark up maps, highlight points of interest, or mark unusual activities for further exploration. Redlining refers to ad hoc drawings on maps and helps communicate locations and areas of importance. Here are these steps, assuming you already have a project open. First, click on the action icon. Select Redline from the drop-down menu. This will open the Redline Map toolbar. The options provided in this toolbar are Select Feature, which is default, Draw Point, Draw Line, Draw Polygon, Draw Rectangle, Draw Circle, Draw Freehand, click to choose a color, Export Features, and Toggle Visibility. Let's go over two examples. The first one shows how a square is drawn on the map. The second one is showing how a polygon is drawn on the map. You can modify a shape by using the Select Feature tool, clicking on the redlining object you want to edit, and clicking along the object boundary to adjust its shape. You can also edit the feature's properties by selecting the Select Feature tool, right-clicking on the feature, and selecting Edit Feature Properties. In this example, we're adding descriptions and changing the colors and outlines of the feature. You can hide the features you created by clicking on the visibility toggle. You can share these redline drawings by exporting them to a GeoJSON file. To delete the redline tool, click on the Select Feature, right-click, and select Delete Feature on the redline object you want to delete. If you want to exit out of the redlining tool, click on the bold icon and select Redlining. Make sure to check the description for further documentation on redlining. We hope you find this video on redlining tools helpful. Thank you for watching.